Hi, I'm Adam Riley, Director of Engineering here at Enso, and today I thought I'd walk you through using the Enso product to solve one of the prepping data challenges. So if you're not familiar with the prepping data challenges, they're a series of weekly data analysis challenges set by the very talented people at the Information Lab. I think primarily designed to be solved in Tableau Prep, but you can actually use them to practice your data skills in whatever data analysis tool you happen to use. So this year we've got, so I'm going to start 2024 week one. This year we're working with a fictional airline company. They're called Prep. And they've just introduced a new loyalty card scheme called the Flow Card. And we're going to do some various tasks with that data around the Flow Card. So for the first challenge, they've given us a input file, which I've downloaded down here. I'm going to drag this across onto the graph editor background. And let's take a look at what we've got. They've got a screenshot of it over there, but let's check it out. Okay, so to CSV, we've auto detected the delimiter. We've picked up the headers. That's all looking good. So what's it asking us to do? So we need to split the flight details field out. Okay, so the flight details have got this little double slash delimiter. So let's add a new component, and we want to split the columns. Good. Um, Flight details, and the delimiter is this double forward slash. Okay, great. So that got the date, that's the flight number. Okay, so now the from and to is in another field, so we're going to need to split that one again. Close that up. Move that one there. Right, so another split the columns. This time we're splitting flight details 3, and we need to split that on the right character. Yes, so there we've got Tokyo, New York. I think that's the from and the to. Yes, I guess I need to clean up those names now. Move that up. Slightly narrower screen than usual. So economy, okay, right. Let's do rename. What have we got? Flight details one. Date. Flight details two. Flight number. Okay, this is when the lack of width is going to make life a little bit interesting for me. Flight details 3-1. We think that is the from field. And flight details 3-2 is the to field. Then, yes, this is really pushing the width out on my components, which I could have done this a different way, but class, and then finally, I'm not overly happy with the width of the component, but it's a future thing. It was fixed in the product, but okay. Let's go back up to the main flow and check that's looking good. Okay, so we've got date, flight number, from to economy price. That decent? Okay, what do we want to do next? So convert the following data field to the correct data type. So date to a date format, price to a decimal value. Okay, so actually Let's check what the types are. Just drop a info column on briefly and see what we're at. So yeah, the date is currently a char and price is also currently a char because they've come in from that split. So if I do a pass, I think by default the pass will kind of auto pass all of the string fields. Oh, sorry. Let me just fix that down. Okay, so then if I drop that in there, that get it right. So we've got the date going to a date, and we've got price going to a float. So good. Let's just remove that info now and check that date is looking right for that date field. Yep, so that's looking good and it's looking good on the price. Great, so let's move that up. Okay, change the flow card field to a yes no value instead of a 1-0. Okay, so flow card currently a 1-0. I could do that expression. I wonder, can I pass that? Let's try this. Might or might not work. I think going up in the format. If I pass the flow card to a Boolean value, which it actually is, and the format is a 1-0, and but that's pass wants to pass a text field, so that's not going to work. Let's write the expression. Probably made that work if I was being clever, but let's do it this way. Okay, so value is an expression, and I think I want the expression to say if flow card equals 1, then yes, else no. That do what I want? No, because I typed flow card wrong. Uh, oh, no, let's look what the field actually called. The field is called play card capital F capital. It's the okay. So that creates a new field over there that looks correct. And if I say to update, nope, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to overwrite the existing field, so let's do load card question mark for the new name. There we go. So that's now updated the field in place. Create two tables, one for flow card holders and one for non-flow card holders. Okay, and now the date sets. So let's filter it down and let's do flow card equals text value. Yes. Those are all my yes ones. Let's write those out. Um, we'll put it in the same folder. Um, load customer. Did it say what format it wants? It doesn't. Let's just go CSV then. Okay. And then I want another one. So I'm going to copy this node and I'm going to, instead of keeping where it goes yet, I'm going to remove where it goes yet. That's going to give me all the nodes. And then copy this component, hook it up into here. And now this one is non-flow car customer. So remember in Enso, although it's running live all the time, yeah, the warning tells us, but output it doesn't actually write until we either switch into record mode or press the record once button. So I'm going to press the record once button in this case. And if I got it right, yep, we get flow car customers and the non-flow car customers down here. So that is Preppin data 2024 week one. I've done in Enso.